Today, we're diving into one of the most refined and technologically advanced luxury SUVs in the compact segment, the 2026 Lexus NX. With a bold new design, cutting-edge technology, multiple powertrain options including hybrid and plug-in hybrid, and Lexus's legendary commitment to quality and safety, the NX is more than just a stylish crossover. It's a complete package. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend explorer, or someone seeking efficiency without sacrificing luxury, the 2026 NX has something impressive to offer. Let's talk design. The 2026 Lexus NX arrives with a bold, sculpted exterior that perfectly balances elegance and athleticism. Lexus has refined the brand's signature spindle grille, giving it a more cohesive integration with the front fascia, while still maintaining that instantly recognizable look. Flanking the grille are sleek, blade-shaped triple-beam LED headlights with sharp daytime running lights, adding an assertive character to the NX's face. The hood features deep creases that flow into the A-pillars, enhancing the vehicle's visual length and aerodynamic presence. Along the sides, sharply defined body lines, smooth contours, and flared wheel arches create a muscular yet sophisticated profile, hinting at the NX's capability and road presence. The sloping roofline subtly transitions into a sculpted rear, where a full-width LED light bar and modern Lexus script replace the traditional logo, giving the rear a futuristic, clean finish. New alloy wheel designs, available in 18, 19, and 20-inch sizes, add variety and enhance the vehicle's aggressive stance. The color palette is equally compelling, with bold options like ultrasonic blue mica 2.0, nori green pearl, and the all-new matte shadow titanium finish available on F-Sport trims. Every inch of the 2026 NX has been carefully crafted, not just to look luxurious, but to stand out on any road, turning everyday driving into a stylish statement. Step inside the 2026 Lexus NX and you're immediately welcomed into a cabin that blends modern luxury with purposeful design. Inspired by Lexus's Tazuna concept, a philosophy that focuses on a direct and intuitive connection between driver and vehicle, the interior is crafted to feel both driver-centric and incredibly refined. At the heart of the dash sits a stunning 14-inch high-resolution touchscreen that houses the latest Lexus interface system, offering a seamless experience with sharp graphics, responsive controls, and built-in navigation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the natural voice command system responds fluidly to simple phrases like, "Hey Lexus, I'm cold." The center console has been redesigned for better ergonomics and cleaner aesthetics, while a digital 123-inch instrument cluster gives the driver full control over display preferences. High-quality materials are found throughout, from soft-touch leatherette to real wood or aluminum trim, depending on the trim level, creating an atmosphere of pure sophistication. Ambient lighting with 64 color options adds mood and character to the cabin, and optional features like heated and ventilated seats, rear climate controls, panoramic moonroof, and even massage functions in the front seats elevate comfort to first-class standards. Storage is plentiful, visibility is excellent, and thanks to excellent sound insulation, the cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. The 2026 NX's interior is not just a space to drive, it's a space to truly enjoy the journey. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus NX offers a versatile lineup of powertrains designed to meet a wide range of driving preferences, from efficient commuting to spirited performance. The entry-level NX 250 features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, producing 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ideal for daily driving with smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy. Stepping up to the NX 350 brings more excitement with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, allowing for a confident 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 6.6 seconds. For those looking to maximize efficiency, the NX 350h Hybrid pairs the 2.5-liter engine with Lexus's advanced hybrid technology, combining to generate 240 horsepower while achieving an outstanding estimated 39 mpg combined. But the real standout in the lineup is the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid, boasting a total system output of 304 horsepower and offering up to 40 miles of all-electric range, perfect for zero-emission commuting without sacrificing power. All-wheel drive is available or standard across the range, and Lexus's adaptive variable suspension, available on F-Sport models, provides exceptional ride quality with real-time damping adjustments. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, electric driving, or turbocharged power, the NX delivers a well-rounded and highly capable performance experience that adapts to your lifestyle. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Lexus NX sets a high standard with its comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies designed to protect you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road. Every NX comes equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, the brand's most advanced safety platform. This includes a pre-collision system with enhanced pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and lane tracing assist that helps keep the vehicle centered in its lane, even in curves. The adaptive cruise control now features curve speed management, which automatically adjusts your speed when approaching turns, delivering a smoother and safer highway experience. Road Sign Assist reads and displays key traffic signs right on your instrument cluster, while blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert provide added confidence during lane changes and parking maneuvers. A standout feature is the Safe Exit Assist, which uses rear sensors to warn passengers of approaching traffic before opening a door. The NX also offers a driver attention monitor that can detect signs of fatigue or distraction and prompt the driver to take a break. Available upgrades like the 360-degree panoramic view monitor, parking sensors, and automatic parking assist make tight urban parking stress-free. Whether navigating busy city streets or cruising on the open highway, the 2026 NX surrounds you with intelligent protection at every turn. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus NX represents a remarkable evolution in the compact luxury SUV space, offering a premium driving experience that is both forward-thinking and finely balanced. Lexus has clearly listened to customer feedback and pushed the envelope, delivering a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. From its bold, sculpted exterior to the high-tech, driver-focused interior, every detail feels purposeful and refined. The range of powertrains, including a fuel-efficient hybrid and a powerful plug-in hybrid, ensures that there's an NX for every kind of lifestyle. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend traveler, or someone seeking efficiency without sacrificing luxury. The seamless integration of cutting-edge technology like the new Lexus interface system, advanced safety features, and intelligent voice commands shows how Lexus continues to innovate without overwhelming the driver. Add to that a smooth, composed ride, class-leading build quality, and an interior that rivals far more expensive competitors, and the NX easily stands out as one of the smartest choices in its segment. It's not just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of confidence, craftsmanship, and care for the modern driver. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers on performance, comfort, efficiency, and prestige all in one sophisticated package, the 2026 Lexus NX is well worth your attention. Thanks for watching our full review of the 2026 Lexus NX. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future car reviews and updates. Got any questions about the NX or want to share your thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.